Good morning. It is Wednesday, April 15th today. We're ready for morning meeting. We're going to start with today is. So, today is Wednesday. Can you touch Wednesday? Good job. So if we say it in a sentence, it is today is Wednesday. Okay, the month is, what month is it? We talked about it yesterday, and it is a month that it rains a lot. Can you find the month that has a picture of rain? April. So we say the month is April. Good job. And the date is April 15th. All right, the weather. So you can go look out a window or your front door. Can you go see what the weather is like outside? Right now, Miss Ainsley's looking outside and it's sunny. So I would say the weather is sunny. You can use your morning meeting folder to say what the weather is where you are. Okay, the temperature. Temperature we look up every day. So Miss Ainsley looked it up on her phone, and right now it's 32 degrees. It may be warmer when you watch this video though. So I would say the temperature is cold. It's very cold out this morning. All right, we're going to move on to our daily schedule. We have our daily schedule. So our schedule says Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. And here are some things that we can do today. Morning meeting we're listening to right now. You can go on a virtual field trip again. That's to the San Diego Zoo. If you've already done that once, pick a different animal to watch this time. Boom Learning. If we're still having problems with that, please get in contact with me. Math, reading, and social studies. So make sure after you do some work, your parents fill out our daily participation so that I can see that you're working hard. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow for morning meeting. Bye.